Good morning. How are you? This is Miss Amy, and we are on our last week of school. Gotta get my papers. All right, I already tried to record it once and didn't do sound, so I gotta record it again. But it's just a really quick math review, and it's on fractions and adding and subtracting. So if you will get your pencil, I will explain to you what to do. All right, so if you look at the first page, there are subtraction facts. So you have to enter the subtraction fact, and then you have to go down to the bottom and find an addition fact with the same answer. Let's see what it looks like. What is 9 minus 5? Do you know? You're supposed to know. So what is an adding fact that makes 4? Can you find an adding fact down there? Easiest one ever. 2 plus 2 is 4. So you write it down. 2 plus 2 is 4. Look at the one on the next side. 4 minus 2. What's 4 minus 2? 4 take away 2 is 2. Find something that makes 2. None other than 1 plus 1 makes 2. Alright, turn the page. You finished that one by yourself. The next one is a missing parts puzzle. So it's like when Miss Amy draws the triangles and we have a missing part. Let me get a bright marker. So the first one is, what's the biggest number? 13. And what part do we know? 5. So what is the missing part? 5 and what make 13? 5 and what? 8. 5 and 8 make 13. So when you use the 8 down there, you got to mark it out. I forgot to say that on the first page, but as you use each combination, mark them out so you'll know they've been used. So that 8 has been used. All right, there are some plus 10s in here, but plus 10 is easy because it has a 0. Look at the next page. So we have halves and we have fourths. So what does half mean? If you cut something in half, how many pieces will you have? The number on the bottom tells you how many pieces, because normally when we do halves, we write it like this. Give me a second. I'm writing it down. 1 half or 2 halves. The number on the bottom tells you how many parts you've cut it into. The number on the top tells you how many pieces you're using. So you're going to have to find all the pieces that are cut into 2 parts and all the pieces that are cut into 4 parts. Alright, you can draw them or you can cut them out. So on the first one, I found a rectangle that was cut into 2 parts, so I'm going to mark it out because I've used it now. And I found a circle that was cut into 4 parts, and I'm going to mark it out because I've used it now. Easy peasy. You won't even need any help with these pages. Okay? That is all. That is a short little quick math class, and you get that done, and yay! All right, I will see you in just a minute.